Hello my little ones, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. This is your Meera ma'am and today we are going to do some creative artwork in our art and craft session. Now let's see some fruits. First is an apple. Do you know what is the color of an apple? Yes, red color. It is a very good for health. And my dear friends, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Next is a banana. A banana is yellow in color. A banana is a very healthy fruit. Next is a mango. A mango is the king of all fruits and it is a very tasty fruit. These are grapes. They are sweet and juicy. Next is a watermelon. A watermelon is green from outside and red from inside. A watermelon is sweet and juicy fruit. Next is an orange. It is a juicy fruit. Do you know what is the color of an orange? Yes, orange. This is an apple. A for apple. And today we'll do finger painting in an apple. For that we require art sheet, red color, pencil and black sketch pen. Take one art sheet. With the help of your parents, draw an apple. And darken it with the help of black sketch pen. Now look here. What are these? These are fingers. Show me your sweet little fingers. Okay. So today we'll do our activity with the help of finger. Dip your finger in red color and make dots close to each other. Do it again and again. An apple is ready. I hope you all enjoyed today's activity. See you soon. Take care. Bye.